Below will be listed all aircraft operated by Venezuela during the presidency of Nicolás Maduro, with a detailed explanation of their purpose and their role within the country's military, political, and state security system. During Maduro's rule, air power became one of the key instruments for maintaining authority, deterring external pressure, primarily from the United States and its allies, and demonstrating strategic partnerships with Russia, China, and other countries opposing Western influence. Under conditions of sanctions and international isolation, the Venezuelan Air Force has functioned not only as a military structure, but also as a political tool symbolizing sovereignty and resistance. The backbone of Venezuela's combat aviation is formed by the Su-30 MKV multi-role heavy fighters of Russian origin. These aircraft are designed to achieve air superiority, intercept hostile aircraft, and deliver precision strikes against ground and naval targets. Equipped with long-range capabilities, advanced radar systems, and a wide array of weapons, the Su-30 MKV represents the most powerful combat platform in the Venezuelan Air Force. Under Maduro, these fighters became the primary deterrent against foreign military intervention and a clear symbol of Caracas's strategic military alliance with Moscow. The American-made F-16A and B fighting Falcon, delivered to Venezuela before relations with the United States deteriorated, once formed the core of the country's fighter fleet. Designed as light multi-role fighters for air combat and ground attack missions, their role has significantly declined during Maduro's presidency. Due to sanctions and the lack of spare parts and technical support, many F-16s are only partially operational. Today, they serve more as a reminder of Venezuela's former dependence on the United States and its subsequent geopolitical shift away from Washington. Jet trainer and light attack aircraft K-8W Karakorum, developed jointly by China and Pakistan, are used for pilot training and limited combat missions. They are capable of carrying light weaponry and conducting patrol operations. Under Maduro, the K-8W plays an important role in training new pilots without reliance on Western countries and reflects deepening military cooperation with China. Complementing them are the GEL-8 advanced jet trainers, which prepare pilots for transition to high-performance combat aircraft, particularly the Su-30 MKV. The turboprop aircraft EMB 312 Tucano and T-27 Tucano serve as training and light attack platforms. Their primary missions include basic and intermediate pilot training, border surveillance, and counter-smuggling operations. During Maduro's rule, these aircraft have been widely employed for internal security missions, especially in remote and border regions where the use of jet aircraft would be economically inefficient. The OV-10 Bronco, a light attack and reconnaissance aircraft, remains in limited service despite its age. Designed for counterinsurgency, surveillance, and close air support, it is valued for its ability to operate from short and unprepared airstrips. Under Maduro, the OV-10 is used mainly for reconnaissance and internal security missions, particularly in border areas and regions affected by armed groups. A crucial pillar of regime stability is Venezuela's transport aviation. The Russian Il-76 MD heavy transport aircraft is capable of carrying troops, armored vehicles, and large cargo over long distances. During Maduro's presidency, it has been used for military logistics, humanitarian missions, and the transport of strategic supplies from allied countries. The massive An-124 Ruslan, one of the largest transport aircraft in the world, is employed only occasionally, but holds strategic importance for moving oversized military and industrial equipment, underscoring Venezuela's capacity for large-scale logistical operations. Medium transport aircraft, such as the Ukrainian-built An-32B, are optimized for hot climates and high-altitude operations and are widely used to supply remote military bases and regions. The American C-130H Hercules, though restricted by sanctions, continues to perform domestic transport and humanitarian tasks. Chinese Y-8 aircraft, based on the Soviet An-12 design, reflect Maduro's policy of replacing Western equipment with Chinese alternatives to reduce dependence on the United States. Spanish-built CASA C-212 Aviocar and Cien Tu-35 aircraft are used for light and medium transport, coastal patrol, airspace surveillance, and counter-narcotics operations. Special mission and government aircraft play a vital role in the structure of power. French Falcon 200 and Falcon 900 jets are used as government aircraft for transporting senior officials, including President Nicolás Maduro, and for secure communications and coordination of security forces. Their operation highlights the mobility and status of the political leadership. Light multipurpose aircraft, such as the Cessna 208 Caravan and Beechcraft King Air, are employed for reconnaissance, surveillance, command and control tasks, and monitoring remote areas where rapid response by security forces is essential. Completing the aviation fleet are Italian-made SF-260 training aircraft, designed for initial flight screening and basic pilot training. They form the foundation of the entire pilot training system, ensuring a steady flow of new aircrew for the Venezuelan Air Force. Taken together, Venezuela's aircraft fleet under Nicolás Maduro serves not only defensive and logistical purposes, but also a broader political role, acting as an instrument of internal control, a symbol of national sovereignty, and a demonstration of the country's independent course in the face of sustained international pressure. Venezuela's air fleet under Nicolás Maduro is not just a collection of military aircraft, but a carefully structured instrument of power, security, and political messaging. Each aircraft type, whether fighter, transport, patrol, or training, plays a specific role in maintaining internal control, deterring external pressure, and showcasing strategic alliances outside the Western sphere. Understanding this aviation structure allows for a deeper insight into how military capability, geopolitics, and leadership are interconnected in modern Venezuela. If you want more in-depth analysis of military aviation, geopolitics, and modern conflicts, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps bring more detailed and honest content on global military power and international security.